Make this amazing fun spiral using an ordinary plastic straw and a scissors. Take the plastic straw and the scissors and start cutting a spiral in the plastic straw. For this, you need to keep rotating the straw with one hand and keep cutting with the other. Keep continuing this process until you get about 5 inches of a long helical spring like plastic. You just need to keep rotating the straw with one hand and cutting with the scissors with the other hand. Now you stretch to see the spiral spring. On one hand, you flatten the straw and cut 2 slants so as to make like a pencil point. This is like a reed which vibrates. Now put the ordinary one in your mouth and you blow, and you will be surprised to see the spiral spinning. It flagellates just like an elephant's trunk, but there is no sound because this does not have the reed.
Stop.
Now you take the reed one and blow.